What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're about to blow your minds with some crazy, delicious, and surprisingly healthy dinner recipes, all using canned meat. Yeah, you heard that right. Canned meat. We're talking tuna, salmon, chicken, the whole gang's here. We're going to prove that canned food isn't just for emergencies, it's for epic meals. Get ready to ditch those takeout menus because these recipes are easy to make, totally budget friendly, and so good you'll want to eat them every night of the week. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome recipes. All right, first up, we're tackling the king of healthy canned meat, salmon. Grab your can opener and pop open a can of salmon. Now, I know what you're thinking. Canned salmon? For dinner? Trust me, guys, this ain't your grandma's salmon salad. No offense to grandmas, their cooking is the best. Drain the salmon and toss it in a bowl. Now, let's add some flavor. Dice up some celery, red onion, and some fresh dill. Mix it all up with a dollop of mayo, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. And boom! You've got yourself a crazy delicious and healthy salmon salad that's perfect for a quick dinner. Next up, we're cranking up the heat with a super quick and easy beef stir fry. Grab yourself a can of pre-cooked beef, drain it, and set it aside. Now, let's get those veggies sizzling. Heat up some oil in a wok or large skillet and toss in your favorite stir-fry veggies. I'm going with broccoli, carrots, and snap peas. While those are cooking, whisk together some soy sauce, honey, ginger, and garlic for a crazy good sauce. Once the veggies are tender crisp, add the beef and that awesome sauce. Stir fry for a couple more minutes and bam, dinner is served. It's Taco Tuesday, baby, and we're celebrating with some crazy delicious chicken tacos. Grab a couple of cans of chicken, drain them, and shred the chicken with a fork. Now let's spice things up. Heat up some oil in a pan and toss in the shredded chicken with your favorite taco seasoning. While that's simmering, warm up some tortillas. Now let's assemble these bad boys. Top your tortillas with the seasoned chicken, all your favorite taco fixings, and get ready to fiesta in your mouth. All right, guys, it's time to get our meatball on. And guess what? We're using canned turkey. Don't knock it till you try it. This recipe is so good, you won't even miss the beef. Open up a can of ground turkey and drain off any excess liquid. Toss the turkey into a bowl and add in some breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, a beaten egg, chopped onion, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all up with your hands, form the mixture into meatballs, and bake them in the oven until they're golden brown and cooked through. Get ready for a flavor explosion with this crazy delicious pork sausage pasta. Brown some Italian sausage in a large skillet. While the sausage is cooking, cook your favorite pasta according to package directions. Once the sausage is browned, drain off any excess grease. Now let's make this dish extra special. Add in some diced tomatoes, a splash of red wine, and a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Let it all simmer together while the pasta finishes cooking. Once the pasta is done, drain it and add it to the skillet with the sausage sauce. Toss to coat and sprinkle with some fresh parsley. Calling all comfort food lovers! This hash brown casserole is the ultimate crowd pleaser, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Grab a bag of frozen hash browns and spread them out in a greased baking dish. Now, let's layer on the flavor. Sprinkle the hash browns with some diced cooked ham, shredded cheddar cheese, and chopped green onions. In a separate bowl, whisk together some cream of chicken soup, milk, and melted butter. Pour the creamy mixture over the hash browns and bake in the oven until bubbly and golden brown. Get ready for a big bowl of comfort with this crazy easy chicken pot pie. Grab a couple cans of chicken, drain them, and shred the chicken. Now let's make the filling. In a large pot, melt some butter and saute diced onions, carrots, and celery until tender. Stir in some flour, chicken broth, and milk. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until thickened. Add the shredded chicken, frozen peas, corn, and seasonings to the pot. Pour the filling into a baking dish and top with your favorite pie crust. Bake until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Last but not least, we're warming things up with a hearty and flavorful beef and bean chili. This recipe is perfect for game day, chilly nights, or any time you need a big bowl of comfort. Start by opening a can of beef and adding it to a large pot or Dutch oven. Dice an onion, chop some green bell peppers, and mince some garlic. Add the onions, bell peppers, and garlic to the pot and cook until softened. Stir in your favorite chili powder, cumin, and oregano. Add in diced tomatoes, kidney beans, black beans, and beef broth. Bring the chili to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 30 minutes, or until the flavors have melded together. And that's a wrap! 8 incredible, budget-friendly, and surprisingly healthy dinner recipes using canned meat. Who knew those little cans could pack so much flavor and versatility? I hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and ditch those takeout menus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.